Welcome back. Now, depending on where your locale is, you are going to want to be concerned about how you collect taxes and how you handle them when your customer buys from you. And you can do that here by going into this section. Now, the default setting inside of Shopify is that you are collecting taxes in the United States, and for the rest of the world, you'll need to set up those taxes if you want to collect them. Now, what you can do is you can either set the base rate or you can do a tax override for specific countries. If we click Add in a tax override, we can do a tax override for products or shipping. And when we do shipping, what we can do is we can set the rate for the rest of the world. And we can then click Add Override. Now, one thing that we can do is we can make sure that the customer understands their final price has the tax included, and so we can tick this box. We can charge tax on the shipping. We can also add in the value-added tax on digital goods for products sold in the European Union. And once you've made your decisions about how to handle taxes, you can then click Save. And your taxes are then appropriately handled. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.